Welcome.
Me flab.
Congratulations.
Now my name.
Farewell.
Yaba Ojogba.
Happy Easter.
Etishi lele.
Greetings and their responses.
Now my cannot hear me.
Good morning.
Ojeko. Hello. Owong.
Okay, and what's the response? There's no response. Someone says Ojeko, you respond by saying Ojeko.
Ojeko is the same thing.
Cool. When you say Owong,
Owong, how did you sleep?
and the response is
Wong, hey, I slept well.
good afternoon.
Oshie.
Good evening.
Inako.
Good night.
Yawo Ojogba.
Congratulations.
Now my name. Omanya blank.
Welcome.
Me flabo.
And the response?
Me herebo no.
Happy Easter.
Etishi.
And the response?
Etishi lele.
Okay.
Yes.
So literally Christ is risen, and then
Christ
the
is
response
reading indeed.
is risen indeed. Okay. Merry Christmas.
Afi ayane bani nawo. That's the response. Afi. Then I respond, Afi ayane bani nawo. Or I say, Afi na akplo.
Okay, and this is specific to Christmas?
For Christmas, for any annual anniversary.
Oh, okay.
We are wishing.
So you are telling us how is Afi used?
Oh, you can use it for any annual event.
Such
To
as
wish, like Christmas, like
New Year's,
like your New Year or your birthday.
anniversary?
It's anniversaries that come
Okay.
annually, not 10 years or because it will come. Eya nieba ni nawo.
In English, the English language, there's no real greeting like that goes, we greet you or we respond.
Yeah.
But there is in Chi
Nga.
and in Nga also. So
In Ghana, can say if that person is not aware that you are around and you want to minga boy
and the response?
and me helebo no
Okay.
for a single person.
Okay. And then what about if it's
One nganye one healing, for groups who are being led to greet at a funeral. They will go and raise their hands. The leader will say one nganye. Then the group will respond one healing,
okay. Goodbye.
Ya bao ba healing no ake yo.
Extend my greetings to them.
Min biame.
And the response?
Yo. Hello, amebano. Hello, make ame.
Farewell.
Ya ba Ojogba. Hello, okenye mojro. Hello, ya kwejen. Oba here no ake. Oyi wala don.